I cannot do this with one hand. I need you to hold the video because I can't do this. I'm trying to make a review.
No.
This is the new Wahl Cam 5, and we've added the oil to it and just having a terrible time getting it to go through the sheepadoodle. But it just, it just doesn't want to cut. So we used on a speed 1, turning up to speed, see if that'll help. And it just, it's just not, it's not going through. This is the worst cutter yet. I can't do.
Somebody's hungry. Is it? Act like they've never eaten. Are you hungry? Oh my goodness.